Let's check out these fall potatoes. These potatoes have been in the ground since August. It is going to freeze tonight. They've started dying back, and we're going to go ahead and dig them and see what we have and see if we can grow potatoes in the fall in Georgia. I planted 7 plants in this 100-gallon root pouch, and I think they did really well. I definitely will plant these again next year. I had some rather big ones, some small ones. Overall, a very good harvest. So we just dug these potatoes. Now I'm gonna flip this bed and we're gonna plant some onions. These are the Sapphire that we have on our site. They're a red onion. I already have a bed of the white onion, so I'm gonna put red in this one. This is what we recommend putting in there pre-plant, but since I'm doing it all today, it's okay to go ahead and add it. This is a good all-around fertilizer that's gonna be there for weeks to come for your onions. The rate is 1.5 cups per 10 square feet. I'm not sure what this bed is, but I'm just gonna sprinkle it liberally. Probably about 1/2 cup. Then I'm gonna take this garden rake, and this soil's really soft because I just dug up potatoes. And I'm just gonna mix that in there really well. Now I'm not gonna go into everything about planting onions today. We just did a row by row show on everything you need to know, and I'll link that down in the description below. But you're gonna see me plant these really close, and the reason being is in the spring, we'll pull up every other one and eat them as spring onions. So while it seems to be too close to planting right now, it'll be just fine come springtime. And you do want to plant down to about right there, almost to the green top. So this was a bundle of 50, but we tell you there's a lot more in the bundle than 50 plants. I planted 35 in this 100-gallon root pouch, and I counted what was left, and I have over 50 left. Once planted, give them a good water, and to check out our Hoss University Onion Growing Guide for water requirements and fertilization requirements. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget, check out the description below for product links and resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.